Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Gold Rush Frozen Adventure, guys. And in this video I'm going to share with you that how actually you can get a mod, guys, for the game, which works for the both devices, guys, iOS and Android. So with this mod I'm going to share with you guys all the steps I did for myself to get the mod, and you can do it also you by your own on your own device. Okay, it's pretty simple to do it, guys, very easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end, guys, so you don't have any you don't miss anything. And I'm going to explain everything you need to know. Okay, of course, if you have any question, guys, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to share anything you need to know, if I know, of course. So just a few seconds, guys, to log in with in the game. All right, almost there. And with this mod, guys, you're gonna have unlimited resource, unlimited gems, gold, and you'll be able to play without ads, guys. It's very very nice mod if you like to play the game all the time. Okay, and as you can see, here we are. We enter inside, you can see we have unlimited gems and gold as well. So let me see, for example, if you want to add it more. So what we're gonna do, for example, we can go here. All right, and if you want to buy, we can just buy, as you can see, all the time, guys. All right, as well here you can buy all materials, no limit, guys. As you can see, everything works and runs totally fine, guys. So look at this now. For example, if I want to have more coins, gold and coins. All right, so as you can see, guys, works totally fine. And as I mentioned before, works for the both devices the same, iOS and Android. So basically, guys, what you have to do is to make sure you have a good connection with internet, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. And then you just have to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, Google, Safari, whatever you like to use, and just go and type in the searching bar here Model X. All right, so this is the site, guys, where you have to enter inside of it. You have a lot of other things inside you can check later, guys, if you're interested. I'm gonna use the searching bar not to make the video too long. Okay, here it is. And then you have information about the mod and the game as well here, guys, as you can see. And then here in the corner you have the install button. So basically you just need to continue by installing button. You need to wait till the end, guys, to complete all the steps required. You're gonna be able to get the mod, guys. It's very simple, guys, to do it, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the game. Okay, if you have any questions, as I mentioned before, just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll be very happy to share with you everything you need to know. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next videos. Cheers.